Hello, everyone. I extend a warm and hearty welcome to yet another wonderful day, a day full of boundless possibilities for learning, personal growth, and self-discovery. Today, I want to ignite a spark of inspiration within each and every one of you, to take a closer, more detailed look at the world that surrounds you. I urge you to delve deeper, to explore the unseen, and to discover the hidden potential that lies in every corner of your environment. Have you truly noticed the intricate details of everything around you? The diverse people with their unique stories, the abundant resources that are waiting to be tapped, the myriad opportunities that lie in wait, ready to be seized? These elements are all at your disposal, patiently standing by, ready to be harnessed, utilized, and transformed into tools that can craft and shape your future to heights you've yet to imagine. Consider how you interact with those around you. How deep and strong are your relationships with your classmates, your teachers, and the people you encounter every day? Have you ever thought about how these interactions and connections, these bonds of shared experiences and mutual respect, can be utilized to positively impact your environment, your community, and the world at large? Look beyond your immediate self. Are there opportunities lurking around that you could seize? Perhaps volunteering at a local soup kitchen, lending a helping hand to a neighbor in need, or simply engaging in a meaningful conversation with someone who needs a sympathetic ear. Remember, every small contribution, no matter how minor or insignificant it may seem, can make a significant difference. Every act of kindness, no matter how small, can ripple outwards, creating a wave of positive change. The key to success, fulfillment, and a life well lived is to make the most out of every situation, no matter how mundane or ordinary it may seem on the surface. It's about finding the extraordinary in the ordinary and the remarkable in the everyday. So, I encourage you to take a moment today to really observe and see your surroundings. What resources are available that you can utilize? How can you connect with others on a deeper, more meaningful level? Always remember, even the seemingly smallest actions can have a profound and lasting impact. Thank you for listening, everyone. Let's ace this school day with unwavering enthusiasm, boundless curiosity, and a determination to continue our journey of learning about ourselves, the intricacies of the world around us, and our place within it.